Dear children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. You are safe from this COVID-19. So, I am your Paramiss. I hope you all had purchased your books. Yes? Today, I am teaching you social of class 3rd. Today our first lesson, occupation and their different types. So first lesson name, occupation and its types. Whether you all know what is meant by occupation? I will explain what is meant by occupation. It is any work what will give for earning for a living purpose. It is called an occupation. Once again I will repeat. Any work which helps a person to earn for living is called an occupation. For example, I will take myself, that is I am teaching for earning and doctor treating illness people, and you will see some carpenters, soldiers. For example, you can open your diary and you can see your first column of your page. You find your name, father name, mother name. Next we will go for father's occupation. Occupation means what your father works, what he is doing, which job he is doing. For mother also, nowadays so many mothers also, they are attending for other jobs like teachers, some are doctors, some are lecturers. For example, you can see so many, some ladies are doing some business, bank managers. These are the examples. Occupation means it is a work for earning. There are some types of occupations. Primary occupation, secondary occupation. Primary occupation first. What is mean by this primary occupation means, primary occupation, it is depend on the nature. For example, a farmer, he will completely depends on the nature, and fisherman, he also depends on the nature. So, a person who depends on nature for earning, it is called a primary occupation. Next, secondary occupation. It is completely depends on the primary occupation. It will take the help of nature and it will produce another product. It is called a secondary occupation. Secondary occupation means which completely depends on primary occupation. For example, a cloth seller, he will take from farmers cotton. Who will produce the cotton? Farmers. That is the primary occupation. And secondary occupation, the person who earn from farmers that cotton and he will sell to the industries and he will prepare threads and from the threads we will get the cloths. Means it is a secondary occupation. It will depend totally on primary occupation. So you have to note down the definitions now about the occupation. Definition of a occupation: any work which helps a person to earn for living is called an occupation. If you open your textbook social studies, you can able to see this definition and you will find some examples also. Example: teacher. A teacher teaches. A doctor treats illness. A soldier protects the country from whom? What the soldier's duty? He will protect the country from enemies. These are some examples of occupation. Definition. Once repeat: any work which helps a person to earn for living is called an occupation. Examples: a teacher teaches, a doctor treats illness, a soldier protects the country from enemies. In this, we have types. Our heading also types. They are asking. Okay, types. There are two types. First one, primary. Primary occupation. Already I explained you what is mean by primary occupation. In this primary occupation, first one is agriculture. This already we learned in our lower classes. Farmer is our backbone of our country. Farmer and a soldier. So agriculture. Next, pisciculture. Agriculture example: farming, which depends on nature. Occupation which depends on nature. Once again I will repeat. Occupation definition is any work which helps a person to earn living is called an occupation. Examples already I wrote. And in these types, primary occupation, that is agriculture, pisciculture. Agriculture means you know about farming. Pisciculture means fish farming. Next, today's your task is I will give few new words. Once note down and practice. After next class, I will ask you about this new words and the definition of occupation.